Welcome back, everybody. In today's Wellness Wednesday report, we're talking about minority men's health. And every year, MetroHealth hosts a free health fair, and tomorrow is the day.
Yeah, it's a very big day, very important day. Joining us now is Dr. Charles Modlin, who created this free health fair 20 years ago. Dr. Modlin, thanks for joining us. Let's start by telling our viewers why this is so important.
It's critically important, and we call it the Minority Men's Health Fair when in fact actually it's open to everybody regardless of race, ethnicity, gender, 18 years and older. We specifically want to engage, we try to engage men of color because men of color have the highest incidence of a number of chronic health conditions. We call them healthcare disparities, a higher burden of disease. You look at black men, African American men have the lowest life expectancy out of any group also. And so we don't have to accept these statistics. There's something we can do about it. And one thing that is very important is that we encourage the gentleman to undergo preventative health screenings for early detection of disease. Prostate cancer, for example, has twice the incidence in black men compared to white men and twice the death rate. And a lot of the death rate is due to later stage presentation.
Okay, so you mentioned prostate cancer screening. What are some of the other services available?
Yeah, so we're going to be screening, providing actually over 30 free screenings.
Wow.
In a 3-hour setting, 3.5-hour setting, physical examinations, health information. We're going to have actually about over 100 community organizations providing information about the social services and health services that they provide. So we're going to be screening for diabetes, high blood pressure, HIV, high cholesterol, kidney disease, other types of cancers. We're going to be screening from head to toe. We actually have every medical and surgical specialist on hand.
Wow.
To provide these screenings over a 3.5-hour period. If you tried to get one of these, these individual screenings, it would probably take you a couple years, going back and forth to the doctor.
Right.
Yeah.
Wow. And here you do it one-stop shopping. We understand that you've added some new options this year. What are those?
So, we've had behavioral health or mental health screening in the past, but we're placing a greater emphasis on that this year. I think over the past few years, the general public has come to understand the importance of mental health and your overall health and wellness. If you have poor mental health, that actually can manifest into physical manifestations of disease, chronic stress, anxiety, depression. MetroHealth recently opened up a new behavioral health hospital in Cleveland Heights, the first of its kind in over 50 years in Northeast Ohio. So that's one of the new focuses. This year, we're providing all the other physical examinations and health screenings as well. So yeah, this is a one-stop shopping opportunity. You don't have to pre-register, just walk in, 5 until 8:30 p.m. tomorrow. 3 convenient simultaneous MetroHealth locations. Main campus, Cleveland Heights, and our Ohio City campus.
That's phenomenal. We have the information for everybody there on the screen. They can see it. So you don't need an appointment.
No, not at all.
Go on in. They'll get you into the kitty, and you just kind of work your way through all the different services.
Exactly.
That's
Quickly,
wonderful.
before we let you go,
Yes.
I understand that this year, for the first time, you're starting a women's health clinic. Tell us about that.
Oh, absolutely. So it's going to be similar to what we're doing for the Minority Men's Health Fair, obviously open to all women. It's going to be in late September. We actually had that on the drawing board, but our new CEO, Dr. Erica Steed, arrived, and she says she wants this thing done sooner.
Nice.
Yeah, so it's going to happen, under her direction.
All right. Sounds great. Well, thank you so much for joining us
Thanks.
today, Dr.